What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Throwback Friday. Yes, I know that was pretty terrible. I missed Throwback Thursday because it's Friday. This package just came in today. But in this package, let's take another trip down memory lane. So let's go back to June 2017, where I bought my first ever camcorder. You guys remember it, and I remember it. So I can't believe it was that long ago already. And I don't know what happened to that camera, but I think my mom donated it to somebody like many years ago. A couple months after it was probably like maybe a month after I got my Power Shot that I also got in 2017, and I haven't seen this camera ever since. So I actually kind of wanted to get this because I eventually have a video planned like for December around Christmas where I show you guys an evolution of all the cameras I've used. And I have pretty much every camera that I've ever had except for this one. And I went on eBay and I searched it up, and boy, how much inflation has really gone to this camera. Because when I bought mine originally, it was $20, but I got this for like $55. So I mean, honestly, it's okay because I've spent more money on all these iPhones that I have just sitting there waiting to make tech reviews on until the next year, 2023, January, hopefully. But yeah, this thing just came in a couple minutes ago. The mailman just dropped it off. So let's open it up. Okay, I see the tape right here, but I gotta be gentle with it. Is that a hair on the package? NANI? Oh, there we go, I got it. Sort of. There's a lot of tape on this guy. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice. They shipped it to me in a shoebox. Oh, it's this top part I can't freaking break off. Alright, there we go, I got it. How funny that they give this to me in a shoebox. Michael Kors, but I didn't order shoes. I swear, if they gave me the wrong thing. Oh, no, I feel it. Oh, okay. So they didn't mess up. They actually gave me the right one. The right item. And this is it right here. An old vintage camera that I haven't held in my hands since I don't know how long it's been. Oh boy, there it is. And this is it. This is the Samsung SMX-F50BN camera. I think that was the model of it. My god, dude. Holy crap. Oh, this thing is so much lighter than the Canon Vixia. Oh, this thing has a lens cover. Oh, okay. I thought it didn't work. It takes a little while to kind of put it up, but okay. Nice, dude. Holy crap, I remember this. Oh, okay, button's stuck a bit. You can press it though, but maybe it might just be because it's been in the cold, because we just got hit with a cold front like this past week. Okay, so the listing says it came with the charger. Okay, it does have that and an SD card, which might be in the camera already, which I'm about to look. Oh my god, dude. Oh, this thing kind of feels like if it's in a new shape or something. Nice. I remember this. Holy crap. Cool. Oh yeah, I had zoom buttons here. Let me check first that there is an SD card in this, because the listing said it came with one. Yup, it's in there. It's the correct one, hopefully. See it? This is it's a 2 GB. Oh, I thought it was 16 gigs. Okay, maybe I didn't read the listing correctly. Oh, I can't push it in. There we go. Nice, dude. Alright, let's power it on. Haven't heard this in a while. Let's see it. And it's f***ing dead. I should have guessed it. Oh, well, okay, well then there goes that. I guess I'll go put it on the charger for now and let it charge. So the way you actually charge this is you have to have the camera open like this, and it's this little red thing that goes in here. Okay, so yeah, you have to have the camera open, which is really annoying, and I don't know why I can't close the lens cap anymore while it's just working, but I don't know. Okay, maybe I could actually probably power it on right now. Let's try it. Will it work? Oh my god, I remember that. Oh, card full. This thing must have a bunch of crap on here, but oh my god. I haven't heard that noise in ages. Oh, cool. You got it. Storage info. Okay. Guideline, time lapse, optical zoom. What is the zoom on this thing? IntelliZoom, which is 65, and then you can't optical. You can't. I'm trying to see the settings here. Dang, this screen is not retina at all. I just see that. I'm going for the, I don't know which is, okay. Let's see, what do we got here? wind cut, fader, digital effect, anti-shake, focus, auto, C9, adjust, okay, shutter speed, all this. Okay, video resolution, super fine. That's the one right there? Yeah, I guess. Damn, I forgot all these sounds, and I don't remember which way. How do I go to view like the stuff that's on here? No, that's to hide all that. I don't know, dude. Is it right here? Photo, or is it? I don't know. Oh, mode. Right there. I think. Oh, yeah. Okay, this guy has some old goofy videos, but oh, okay. Oh, this goofy all right. Let's format this and then. Oops, what just happened? Oh, dang! I haven't used this camera in ages. Holy crap! Yeah, let's just format the card. Oh, files to be deleted. Yeah, just do it. And there we go. How much do I get? 46 minutes of recording. That's good enough for me. Okay. So, oh my god, I haven't used this thing in forever, dude. This is gonna be, I don't know, okay, I wanted to do like a little test video. This thing might not have much battery. If I were to unplug it. It has 3 bars. Oh, no. Then it goes back to the flashing. This thing might, I'm indicating this thing might have a bad battery or something. Let me see. Unplug it again. It shows 3 bars and then it's gonna go back to flashing. Or who knows, maybe it's just a glitch in the camera alone, but oh my god, dude. This was the same color I had it in as well. So if I were to hold it, oh my god, dude. Nice, this is pretty nice. What's the times on that? I gotta look at all that. Make sure, all this stuff. Maybe I gotta check that on a different setting. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, you got digital zoom. Oh, okay. Now you got better zoom. There you go. Okay. I was wondering why you weren't able to do that. Let's see. Time-lapse recording. Turn that shit off. Alright. Okay. I want to do a freaking test right now. Like a video test. Because it's like... What time is it? 4 o'clock. And the sun sets in an hour. And it's kind of cloudy outside. So, yeah. It might eat with that. It could get darker a little earlier, or like you can't really see outside too well, and this thing doesn't perform very good in low light, so I just want to see what it's like without unplugging it. But I guess let's just do an indoor test out here, and then I'll wait a little bit till the camera's finished charging a bit to go outside. But it's gonna be weird. You guys are gonna see what this. The last time you guys saw me filming with this was when I unboxed my Canon PowerShot all those years ago. That's been a long time ago, dude. But holy crap! Alright, let's see, for old time's sake, how the video looks on this. Oh man, I see it already. I can see the quality of this thing. It's in the preview here, it shows it's 16:9, but it's actually only 4:3. Oh my god. Damn, I'm being hit with the wave of nostalgia for real, dude. Oh my goodness. Nice. Okay, so there's my Canon Vixia. You can see one of the reasons I went with something like this, because it reminded me so much of it. I'm trying to like extend the thing. Nice. This thing would make a noise every time I zoomed in, but let's turn it to me. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, it doesn't seem too bad here on the screen, but I'll bet you as soon as I put it in the computer, it's gonna look terrible. Well, I wouldn't say terrible, but not very good either. I mean, this camera came out in 2011 and I bought it in 2017. So, I mean, yeah, probably if I had it by then, like now, just me thinking, I'd be like, no, not a good idea. Seeing what cameras were like. But then again, I also didn't have enough money for like an actual Canon one, and I wanted a camera, so yeah, this was my first ever camcorder. I bought this in like June 2017. Man, the memories, dude. I'm already being hit with the wave of nostalgia of all the random videos that I would always film on this thing. Holy crap. Damn, dude. Let's see how it picks up my phone screen. Oh my god, look at the colors. Nice. And speaking of phone, let me show you guys something. Yes, sir. I just ordered a new iPhone. iPhone 13 Pro for $750. They were already having their Black Friday deals, and there was none for the 14. So I went with this guy, the 13 Pro in blue. And yeah, it's gonna be super cool. I'm so excited. It's arriving 23rd, which is the day before Thanksgiving, or it says also between there and the 29th. which more than likely, knowing how fast Amazon is, it's gonna get here the 23rd. I know that for sure. Dude, trying to turn the screen on this, it's like kind of slow. It feels like it's more sturdy inside. Like if compared to like the Vixia, like see how this one can flip kind of fast like that. This one, here, you guys might see it. It feels different. But here, I gotta go where there's more light. Somewhere like that. No, this is not working. Okay, something like that. I want to see how the focus is. Okay. Okay, it's responsive. Probably even for 2011, I think it did a pretty good job. Man, I really wish I could go outside right now and film, but this thing is the battery's gonna die. I literally unplugged it for like a second and it shut off on me. So man, I forgot all about like the interface and the noises too. Like, listen. I forgot about all these noises. Holy crap, it's nostalgic. Even like some more here. See, like, watch. All this stuff, like, man. I'm just going to example. I'm not actually going to delete anything. How do I cancel? There we go. All the noises, dude. Holy crap. Damn, nice. And then the shut off noise, the one I just heard when I unplugged it because it died, but watch. Oh, it didn't turn off? No. Do it again. Do I have to hold it? Nice. Oh my god, dude. It's been ages since I heard this, but nice. So that's pretty cool though, that this was my first ever camcorder back then. Obviously, if I try to use this today, no, it would not do me any good, especially considering what I have now. But yeah, I'm gonna let this charge for a bit. This is gonna be annoying having this open like that, but I'm gonna let it charge for, it's about to be 4:30, so I'll give it maybe till about 5, see how much it charges, and I'll go do some outdoor tests. Alright guys, so I don't think I'm going to be able to do the outdoor test today because it's already 5 o'clock, the sun's going to set soon. So I'm just going to stop the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed looking back at this camera with me. It's been so many years since I held this thing in my hand, since I last saw it, since I last recorded with it, and it's pretty cool to think this was my first ever camcorder in 2017. And well, honestly, if you think about it, I haven't really come that far in terms of like the cameras I use. Just because I've had this exact camera, well, not the exact model, but still like a camera that's about the same for about 40 years. So I really haven't changed that much. I mean, I guess now I have a vlogging camera and I have a whole collection of cameras here. But this started it all, at least for the camera side. I actually could thank my tablet for starting at least like my YouTube for me, because that is what I theoretically first filmed with. But if we're actually talking about a camera or a camcorder, this is the one that began. And it's kind of crazy to think that I bought this in 2017, back around when like you would only see like all HD cameras and you wouldn't think anyone would be filming with this. But hey, small world we live in. But yeah, it's kind of cool, man. Just touching this thing again, looking at it, it's bringing back a huge wave of memories from 5 years ago. And sometimes when I try to interact with the thing, I try to touch the screen because I'm so used to this being touchscreen, but this isn't touchscreen, so it's weird. But it's a cool interface, definitely, for sure. You got 2 record buttons here. I would press this one instead of the one back here, but I got used to pressing the one on my Vixia, the one on the back here. So I'll be pressing that one. And you have a pause button too. You can like pause the video while you're recording. So that way you don't have to edit it all together. You can make it into one raw file, I mean, I guess. Probably for back then when this came out in 2011, I think it did a good job. And the quality, yeah, it's no good. But honestly, for what I used for it back in the day, I think it was actually pretty cool. I'm rough ending tomorrow. I might take this with me and just test a video on this thing just to see what it would be like today. I might include that one. So if you want to see the outdoor test for this, check out the next rough ending video I post, whenever it'll be. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So stay tuned for what video I was talking about in December. I'm gonna be going through the evolution of all my cameras. And then I got some other stuff planned for December where I look at all my electronic collection and every phone I've used. I'm mostly putting that off till the end of December, towards around Christmas. And a couple more videos planned. That firefighter simulator video that I've been pushing off for so long, and redo of the GTA 5 map challenge. A video I also attempted to film back in the summer. I might try it again, where I looked at old phones that were sealed or brand new on eBay. And I'm gonna try doing it again, see how much different it is, because I kind of forgot what I did, which is good because at least I can get a better reaction out of it now. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.